For this project, I'll be using 1 yard of fabric, some matching thread, and some elastic thread.
This project really uses 3 rectangles of fabric. The first rectangle is going to be the length you want your shirt to be by your bust measurement times 1.5.
My fabric wasn't long enough to do my full bust measurement times 1.5, so I ended up cutting that measurement in half and adding seam allowance and just creating two rectangles that I would sew together later.
The other 2 rectangles are just the straps, which will have the measurements here.
Sew the edges of your 2 wide rectangles together. If you just had one large rectangle, then you only sew one edge. The goal is to make a loop, that way you can make the shirt. Hem the top and bottom edges of the loop. Mark where you want the shirring to go. Do this by measuring from the top of your shirt down to determine where the center of the shirring should be. Make sure you sew a row of shirring along the top edge and then do 4 rows of shirring in the center. To make the straps, sew the thin rectangles in half right sides together, then right side them out and cut them in half. Try on the shirt and mark where the straps should go, then sew on the straps.